Umtanami, child of my child. Kunjanina. Today we're speaking about the village, which is Facebook. Are you aware, Njam, ever since there's Facebook monetization, abantu abasa like and abasa engage like before? Because now they understand what it means to like and engage. They understand. So people like Abomaki and Nzonzo, they fell into the trap of reminding people that they're great. But let me tell you something. The same people that made you can break you, especially when you're trying to remind them that you're great. You understand? People, they want you to excel and succeed, but not more than them. And once you tap into greatness, you are reminding them that they are not great, and they will grow resentment. You understand? Their biggest downfalls of Nzonzo and Abomaki is the fact that they were flaunting how much they're making on Facebook. And that became a problem. To some people, it's a fact. You understand? And today I see page like Maki, it's been removed. And I'm not amazed. You understand? Once you start showing people how great you are, they will want to remind you that they made you. You understand? They will remind you and they will break you as much as they made you. So it's very important to always lay low. You understand? Lay low. Free State, he's doing very well on Facebook. Good numbers. I have flaunt. That's why he's doing great, and he's still gonna do great. So abantu akumelanga bakhumbuze ukuthi wena so untswembu wena so yini bazokubuyisela la ubuya khona, especially if you bakubekela bakubeke khona. So please, issue of money and luxury, it's very sensitive. I understand. You don't have to remind people that they are not doing well and you are doing well, because at the end of the day they will exercise their power. And we have seen this with media in South Africa. They can build you, share, support you, but must ufike phezulu bangakuyisa futhi. So please, siphathe kahle, ziphathe kakuhle.
Uma ngisehlishile Monday, thatha 5,000, thengela abantwana uniform. Anginanza banani mina ukuthi ngithini. Nayi imali. Anginanza banani ukuthi ngithini. You see? Anginanza banani ukuthi ngithini. Kuthi ngikhuluma ngithini? Mina Monday ngothengela abantwana uniform ngiyachubekela ngigcine khona. Uma kuthi kunemuntu lo nenhlito lenhle, but inkinga nifuna ukuthi nini ning abuse. Inkinga yeni ukuthi nini nifuna ukuthi mina ning abuse in the name of siyafollower. Uma ngabe kuthi mina ngisedrobheni ngibhizi nifuna ukuthatha isithombe sami, angeke akumele ngithi cha ufune ngivume noma ngigula ufune ngivume.
Maki des shoppers. Mami. Uimoshile mama, uimoshile mama, uimoshile mama, uyayimosha manje. Uyayimosha manje. Awuthi thina sikutshele. Imali nayo ukubyela straight kusileswi sifamisa kuyini. Yabona, when you are a public figure, the day you decided to become a public figure, you signed a contract ukuthi wena you are going to entertain people. So when people see you in public, obviously they will run to you. People do not know your story ukuthi wena mawusuka endlini ungadlanga, usuka endlini uyagula, usuka endlini wenza kanjani. Those people are the same people that support your content each and every day. They are the ones who made you who you are. So if you get tired of them, they will get tired of you. Manje sewenza ama video ukhipha imali uyachoma uchomela abantu ngemali yokuthi bakusupporta ngedata yabo, and then you are saying ukuthi bayaku-abuse. You know, when God blesses you and then you start bragging, that is when God is going to take away whatever he has given you. So fix yourself, because there are a whole lot of people who depend on the public to make bread, to make money, who lose it just like that, just because they start growing a big head, thinking they are all that. When people stop supporting you, you will cry. Because now we are born a man just say, kill my account. I'm sure the people who have hacked you are the people who are close to you, people who know you, people who know your details. Because it's not easy for someone to hack someone unless they know your details. Do you understand? Or you agreed to click on a link that you should not have clicked on. So when you need to fix yourself, uyekele ukuba netimpiko, bathi timpiko ngeSwati, ukuba namaphiko timpiko. Fix yourself and understand ukuthi the people, they are the ones who make you who you are. I saw what happened. I've been following your post on your new page and everything, the things that you are saying ukuthi wena abantu bafuna ukuthi wena uvume ukuthi abak-abuse abantu bayakujabulela. So it's just that wena maybe you are not ready for fame, but the fame is what pays you, what pays your bills. So you need to fix yourself or else you will regret it. Take it from me, because I've been famous for a very long time. You will never see me when I'm walking on the streets and people are coming to me, they want to take pictures. I say, even when I don't feel like it, but I have to fulfill, because what if maybe Lomund Logo to funny picture, it's their last day of living and their last wish was to take a picture with you and see you. When a man just say we are trauma to when we are cooler. Take a picture or smile, just act like it. Sometimes you just need to pretend as if you like it, and you go on about your day, make sure that your people are happy. When you are starting to do this, people are going to get tired of you, and your money flow is going to stop. Just like how they hacked you, they will hack your other account as well. Fix yourself, mama. Fix yourself.
Hello guys, Sanbonan. I want to say thank you so much for 65k followers in less than 20 hours. And I want to say thank you so much to Fezile, because she's the one who's helping me. Even she wants to verify my account. So nani nonke learning follower guys, thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for loving me. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi sizoba right.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. Uyatrenda uMakhi Deshwapa Queen ngemva kokuthi page lakhe lapha ku Facebook baliheke alisekho, akasakhona ukulithola. So she created a new Facebook page ukuthi bantu baqale bamfollowishe, but people are actually saying ukuthi uMakhi besikaphakeme kakhulu man, bantu basho ukuthi bese kati aphakeme kakhulu. Lokhu nje lokwendeke kuye utlethele yena, because uyasho offer usikhomba imali, uscreenshot isalary yakhe, uscreenshota uthenga amasofa, uscreenshota yonke into, uscreenshot ifridge, asishutele ifridge, asishutele makhabethe agcwalise igroza, asishutele ukuthi uthenga igroza ya 10k. So people are saying ukuthi konke lokhu utilethele yena, because bantu bane-jealous la ngaphandle. And ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngalenye ilanga uze wakhutwa ngo-owami, amtshela owami ngokuthi lola kwendako akakwekele, because baningi bantu abasebenza kubhadela on-screenshots their salary basikhombe utilethela titha empilweni yakhe. And unfortunately akazange alalele muntu uMakhi uthi nje nabantu banemona yena utosho offer, because uyisebentela nzima imali yakhe. And now that page lakhe alisekho, so inhlekise ebantwini, because people are making fun of her. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.